What is up, everybody on YouTube? It is Roberto here with another video, and today's video is going to be on a brand named Chisel. Now, if you guys don't know who Chisel is, it's a brand out of Europe who specializes in transforming your jawline by actually exercising and using the muscles in your jaw to transform it into a more constructed, more attractive jawline. Now, if you guys don't know, I've actually previously worked with Chisel in the past. You guys can see the link right here, ad card, and also the video in the description. I have worked with them in the past to actually review the 2.0, but today is the 3.0 of the Chisel line. Yeah, here is the 2.0, but today, like I said, we are going to be going over the 3.0. So I'm pretty excited to show you guys what we do have today. I actually do only have the beta version, which I will show you. So this is the beta version that I did receive. You guys will receive actually the nicer packaging with the nice carry-and travel case as well, which you guys will see right here that the traveling case is pretty nice. So don't worry about the bad guys, you will receive the nice traveling case. So just like the 2.0, the 3.0 comes in 3 different colors and 3 different resistance as well. So for instance, that would be the core, the boost, and the shred model in the white, gray, and black colorway. Those 3 will be the 3 distinctive colors and different sizes of resistance that you'll want to keep going up as you keep training and using these chewable tabs. So right here is the core, and once you're done, you can go up to the boost, and then after that, once you want the maximum amount of resistance, you will want to get the shred. And right here is the beta version. Like I said once before, this is the one I received as the core, so this one's going to be the softest one for me. But you guys will receive the actual white one for the core and the black for the shred. Now, one cool thing about Chisel is that they actually offer workouts for these chewable tabs themselves. So they actually do have a 10-week course that you guys can take of workouts just to see your progressions and your improvements. Now, if you guys do not know how to use a Chisel, I will show you guys right now. Now, the whole thing and the whole point of the Chisel is to use the airways right here. You don't want to block these airways because as you chew, you want the air to escape, right? Now, with this new design, there aren't any holes on the sides, only on the front and the back. And this is going to maximize your pressure going up and down, and that way you're not sucking in and out of the sides. I'm assuming that was probably one of the critiques of the last one. With this one, you do not have that problem. So for instance, let me show you how to put it in. You actually want to put it in the back towards your molars, not towards the front of your teeth. You do not want to grind. You just want to go up and down. Let me show you. Yeah. Okay. Then right here is the second one. So jeez. Keep that in mind, guys. After you are done chewing these, you will be very sore. Make sure to stretch out your jaw up and down if you can, which you should. Make sure you do that because you don't want your jaw to lock up. You need to stretch out those muscles, okay guys? So make sure you stretch them out after you are done using your chewable tabs. You can already see that I was already dying. I was already fatigued off of just the core. You guys will want to try this. Start with the core, then boost up literally, and then after that, once you guys are maximizing your potential, you will want to go to the shred, the final step. You can't beat it, guys. Link in the description, Yomanoberto15 to get 15% off your entire order. First 15, so better act on it quick. And for guys like me who do have the beard, you can actually keep chewing these every single day and it will still improve your jawline and you will still see it slightly. And then once you do trim it, the improvements and the results will actually show a lot more drastically. So depending on how you are shaped, even if you have a beard, this is still a good option for you as well. But that's going to do it for me, guys. I have nothing else to say. If you guys want to stay up to date, follow my Instagram at Yomanoberto to see what I'm currently posting. I post all the time, guys. You do not want to miss it. And if you are new here, definitely come back. I do post Monday and Thursdays. I'd love to see you guys here for some new content. And if there's anything I missed here in this entire video, guys, definitely let me know in the comment section below and ask away. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up as it does help me and the channel grow. But that's going to do it for me, guys. I got nothing else to say. So stay fresh and stay fly. I'm out.